NItrogang! Two-speed, baby! Whoa, that was a good one, that was a good one.
Blast off! It's party time!
How many watts is this? 8,000 watts! Holy shit! That's a lot of watts, bro! What's up, NItrogang? I just heard myself an 8,000 watt stereo. My ears are ringing, so I'm gonna be yelling. That's right. Now, guys, I'm wearing my NItrogang shirt right here. You know what that means? Only nitros in this video. So right here is my Traxxas Revo 3.3. I've already done a couple videos on this. I am going to be running it alongside this Traxxas Slayer Pro. And in the last video, about a month ago, I first did the break-in and unboxing on this. And then since then, many of you have been wanting to know how fast it is. So today, we're going to find out. I'm only going to really be running my Revo just because, yeah, I like Revos. I have a lot of them. And this is the only one I have that actually freaking runs. Of course, if you guys remember the Revo OS 18TZ Survivor Edition, if you're gonna put in the comments, I still have to look at that motor why it's seized up. But don't worry, we will be doing that soon. But this video, we're gonna be running the Byron Race Gen 2, 20% nitro fuel in the Traxxas Slayer. Now for me, I only really have the Bones Brew 30%. I haven't really loved it that much, but hey, I bought a lot of it. It was on sale. It was kind of cheap and free shipping, so I have no choice. We're going to be running the Bones Brew. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, let me give you a short little overview of both of these next to each other. The reason we're going to be talking about these two is they're basically the same exact chassis. So the Slayer uses the Revo chassis. We're going to take the body off in a minute, but wanted to give you a little bit of an in-depth look to make sure that you guys can tell that the Slayer Pro is a little bit longer than the Revo 3.3. Let's take the body off and then we'll look at the actual specifics on this, and we'll talk about speed runs, because we're going to be doing speed runs. Oh, I got to take this body clip off. This is always the hard part. Can't take that one off. We got any support on the field? Let's see if we can get someone to support us and take the body clip off. Oh, look, somebody showed up. I think that's the owner, actually. Oh, yeah, it is. That makes sense, because I don't think I could drive to both of these, right, guys? Yeah, definitely can't do that. Okay, here we go, side by side. It's pretty much obvious that, yeah, they are literally the same exact chassis. In terms of length, let me see, I have these both front to front here, and in the back, yeah, they're basically exactly the same. So it's just the bumper really on the Slayer Pro that's a little bit longer. Otherwise, same exact chassis. Now, in terms of speed, the Traxxas Revo 3.3 is claimed to hit 45 miles an hour. And I have had this one up to, I think, about 42 one time. The Slayer Pro, many people say this thing is hella fast. We're gonna find out. But for now, let me just tell you what Traxxas claims this thing will do. They say it will do 50 miles an hour. But in reality, there's like a small asterisk at the bottom of their website that says stock gearing will only do 45 miles an hour. Now, I read some information about the way the transmission is set up in this one, and they say that the Slayer Pro, you know, as opposed to every other Traxxas Revo that there is, they say that this has some kind of optimized gear ratio tailored for the short course experience. So we'll see what that means. Knowing Traxxas is probably just a bunch of marketing. And hey, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not really a Traxxas basher. I do like them, you know. A lot of people say, hey, why are you a Traxxas lover? They were trying to kill HPI. They were trying to kill the RC sailors with lawsuits. You know what? That's big business. Did they do the right thing by almost killing HPI? No, I don't think so. And in fact, if you're wondering, well, what was the problem itself? It was about the waterproof radio design. Apparently, HPI nearly copied the receiver waterproof design, and Traxxas pretty much put an end to their company. So there it is. I'm not saying I support it. Of course, I don't support it because I am also an HPI fan. But hey, we have ourselves a couple Traxxas right here. We have some nitro fuel. We have the NItrogang shirt. and we're gonna run them. Let's do this. Let's first weigh both of these. You know, we're gonna use a luggage scale here. The Traxxas Revo weighs in at, let's see, what do I got? Basically 10.2 pounds, right? Wheels off the ground. Let's check out the Slayer Pro, what it is. Of course, weight here is gonna be a massive factor. Let me reset it. Okay, let's go with this one. So yeah, basically 5.4 pounds, I would say. So the Slayer Pro is about half the weight of the Revo 3.3. So yeah, expect the Slayer to be a really good performer. Clearly, it's literally half the weight. Now, a lot of the weight on these monster trucks are the tires, you know, that goes without saying. Of course, this does have an extra servo because we do have reverse on the Revo 3.3. We could tell here is the OptiDrive sensor, the OptiDrive itself here. Now the Slayer Pro is a much simpler chassis, just one steering servo instead of two, and no reverse. We could see here on the transmission there's a piece here eliminating the OptiDrive sensor, which would normally be in here. So half the weight. Let's see if it's twice as much fun. We're gonna go for a run. We got the field all to ourselves.
There's nobody over here.
Nobody, literally nobody over here. We got 8,000 watts of power, car audio. We got Nitro RCs. The only thing we need is some freaking Chinese food or pizza. I'm getting a little bit hungry. All right, it's all you. Oh no, am I starting it?
No, you told me you have everything, so
oh yeah. Here, you can get it from the...
Oh.
Yeah, I'm on camera duty, bro. You're on the starting duty right now.
Let's prime it up a little bit first.
Prime it before? Oh wow, that was fast. I'm surprised. Just do a little warm up here. It's like going to the gym, except you're warming up your RC, you know? Slayer Pro. Second gear. Needs to warm up a little bit. Second gear engages, I would say, pretty well. I like the shift point. All the brakes are on point, right? Let's come back, let's check the speed. Oh yeah. Short course action, baby. All right, not bad, 41. Not bad, this one, 41. We still gotta do a little bit of tuning. You know what? I'm pretty happy with the 41. Maybe, if everything is good, we'll get 45. This thing needs a taller clutch bell, that's what it is. But it's good. So I richened the motor a little bit. Does it feel like it's running better?
Yeah, maybe if you richen it a little more.
Let's see what it is. Handles really good at speed. All right, let's come back. Let's see what it is. Let's see what we got. We just ran out of fuel. Perfect time to check the speed. Oh my God. NItrogang, I am surprised. 46 miles per hour. So we actually beat the damn Traxxas claim top speed of 45 for one of these. Now, yeah, I did a little bit adjusting. I richened the motor in between runs. But now, guys, 46 miles per hour. This is a freaking milestone. This is nice. I think with the taller clutch bell, this thing will easily see over 50 miles per hour. Big success, NItrogang, 46. So my Revo is about to turn on. There we go. Perfect. NItrogang. Gotta warm my Revo up. 2-speed, baby, 2-speed. We gotta come back towards where the drone is. 2-speed, baby. Whoa, that was a good one. That was a good one. Yeah. Yeah, that was head to head right there. Yeah, the Slayer's faster than me, but it's okay. Well, we're both faster than a Cadillac CTS over there. You want to race CTS? I know you can hear me. Oh. Yeah, my Revo wobbles. The tires are wobbly. My front tire on the Revo is like freaking going all directions. Oh, and I lost something. What is that blue thing that fell off of somewhere? Something fell off, something blue. I'm gonna go towards, guys. Maybe it's like a piece of road debris, I don't know. Well, the Revo's still running. I think it's my exhaust deflector. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's my exhaust deflector, guys. It fell off. It's okay. This is not a fail, this is nice. That means we're getting a lot of exhaust out. Holy moly, it's hot. NItrogang problems, guys, NItrogang.
I'm starting to get top end out of it.
Yeah. Question is my reverse gonna work? Let's check out the reverse, guys. Reverse, oh yeah. Top speed runs with reverse, baby. Who else has that? Nobody. Look at that, works every time. Reverse. Forward. I love it. Whoa, almost flip, almost, but it's good. All right, you could go. Go forward. Let's let him chill for a little bit.
Oh, you lost your little tip.
Yeah. Too much power, bro. I'm just kidding. Too much power.
Well, this engine does have a lot of gallons on it, and it's, I know it's starting to get a little bit weak on compression, so I'm just going to give it a freshen up, really. I'm sure most of you know this guy. Hybrid. 32494. Go check this guy out. If you guys like a lot of RC stuff, great commentary, as well as Nitro Freak, go check those guys out. Tell them the bug sent you. Of course, your engine. You will need one potato. And you will need, of course, my favorite, brewski for Cheap Kings, Old Milwaukee. There you go.
She like all that good shit. She wanna fuck with them. Let me take you to the kitchen.